Apple achieved huge success with the iPhone 17 Pro, making it one of the company's best-selling smartphones in years. But instead of making small improvements and playing it safe, Apple appears ready to challenge the competition more aggressively than ever. Recent production frame leaks have revealed an unexpected surprise, the return of a true black color option. Not dark gray, not a blue-tinted shade, but an actual black finish. This color disappeared from the Pro lineup after the iPhone 16 Pro, and now it seems set to return with the iPhone 18 Pro. The color changes are only part of the story. Reports suggest Apple is preparing a major camera upgrade that has never appeared on any iPhone before. The company is also rumored to be keeping prices relatively stable despite increasing production costs, while competitors continue raising prices. Combined with what could be the largest battery ever installed in an iPhone, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious flagship devices. Newly leaked production frames have also changed expectations regarding the available colors. Earlier reports suggested dark cherry, light blue, dark gray, and silver. However, updated leaks now point toward dark cherry, cloud blue, black, and silver. Cloud blue is expected to be a lighter and more elegant shade than previous blue finishes. The biggest change is the return of black. Instead of offering a dark gray color that only looks black under certain lighting conditions, Apple appears ready to bring back a genuine black finish. Many users were disappointed when the option disappeared from the previous generation, making this a welcome return. The camera system may represent the most important upgrade. Apple is reportedly introducing a variable aperture mechanism to the main 48-megapixel camera. Every iPhone camera before this has used a fixed aperture, meaning the lens opening remains permanently unchanged. Any adjustments to lighting have relied mostly on software processing. A variable aperture allows the camera hardware itself to adapt. In darker environments, the lens can open wider to capture more light. In brighter conditions, it can narrow to increase sharpness and depth across the scene. This technology is commonly found in professional photography equipment and could significantly improve image quality in a variety of situations. Reports indicate production of key actuator components for this system began months ago, suggesting the technology is already moving through the supply chain. Despite these camera upgrades, the overall thickness of the phone is expected to remain nearly unchanged. The device will reportedly stay close to the dimensions of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The main physical difference will be a larger camera bump, which needs additional space for the aperture mechanism, actuator hardware, and a new advanced image sensor. Another major rumor involves Apple's camera suppliers. For the first time, Samsung could replace Sony as the primary camera sensor. The new sensor is expected to offer faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and better low-light performance before Apple's image processing software begins its work. If true, this would represent one of the most significant camera hardware changes in iPhone history. Pricing is another area generating attention. Industry reports suggest Apple may keep the starting price of the iPhone 18 Pro around $1,199, despite increasing manufacturing expenses. While many Android manufacturers continue raising prices, Apple appears willing to accept slightly lower profit margins in order to remain competitive. This strategy could attract users who are becoming frustrated with yearly price increases across the smartphone market. The dynamic island is also expected to become noticeably smaller. Apple is reportedly moving part of the Face ID hardware beneath the display, reducing the visible cutout by approximately 35%. While a completely invisible under-display Face ID system is still not expected, the reduction should create a cleaner and more immersive display experience. Users will likely notice the difference immediately when using the phone. Battery life could become one of the strongest selling points of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Reports indicate a battery capacity between 5,100 and 5,200 milliamps, making it the largest battery ever included in an iPhone. Combined with the new A20 Pro processor built on an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process, efficiency gains could be substantial. Analysts believe many users may finally achieve up to 2 full days of battery life from a single charge, something that has long been a goal for smartphone manufacturers. The front-facing camera is also expected to receive a significant upgrade, increasing from 18 megapixels to 24 megapixels. This improvement could result in sharper selfies, higher quality video calls, and more flexibility when cropping images without sacrificing detail. With a returning black finish, a breakthrough variable aperture camera, a potential switch to Samsung image sensors, a smaller dynamic island, record-breaking battery capacity, and a competitive pricing strategy, the iPhone 18 Pro series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting iPhone releases in years. If these reports prove accurate, Apple may be preparing one of its biggest flagship upgrades in recent memory.